Hi everyone. In yesterday's class we have seen exercise number 3.2, how to find the coordinate points of in a given graph. Now today we will discuss about the exercise number 3.3, how to plot the graph of given coordinate points. Then how can you identify a given coordinates or lies on which quadrant? Clear? Now see the first question. The one more point you have to remember before this question, that is x y coordinates is x y is not equal to y x. See that we cannot say both are equal here. X coordinate first, y coordinate is second, but you should not write the y and x. Clear? When x is equal to y, then you can say that xy is equal to coordinate of yx. Clear? Now this point you have to remember. Now come to the question here. See what is the question. In which quadrant or on which axis? Clear? In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0 and 1, 2 and -3, -5 lies? Now these all coordinate points on which quadrant is lies, on which axis is lies, you have to say. Now verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Yes, by drawing the graph you have to identify on which quadrant the given coordinate points are lies. Clear? Now see, first what is the coordinate point here? Answer -2 and y is 4. Now see in the graph, you have to draw the graph, you know that already. Now this is a y-axis, x-axis, you can say that vertical line and the horizontal line. For these four parts, what we'll call here? Quadrant. You know already. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and the fourth now. Now what are the signs of the first quadrant? Remember children, this is very important. Now first quadrant signs are plus plus, and here second quadrant is x is minus, y is plus. Remember. See in the third quadrant, x is also minus, y is also minus. Now both coordinates are here minus minus. Now come to the fourth quadrant. Now x is plus and y is minus. Clear? Now see, first quadrant is having the sign plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant both are minus minus, fourth one is plus and minus. Clear? Now see, what is the given coordinate point here? X is -2, y is plus. Now see that minus plus, where is the minus plus here? In which quadrant here? That is second quadrant. See answer what you have write here? Second quadrant. Second quadrant. Clear? I hope you understood this one, how to write that in a quadrant here. Now see the second one, what is that here? 3 and -1. Now see that 3 and -1 means plus minus. Now where is the plus minus here? Now see that plus minus means which quadrant here? Plus minus means yes. What is that? Fourth quadrant. Class, fourth quadrant. I hope you understood. Okay, next one is minus and 0. See here, minus, x is minus and 0. See here, x is minus and y is how much is there? 0. Means x-axis now. Here not a quadrant here, in which will come that x is minus 1 is there. Means here y is 0. See, this is on which here? So what you can write here? That is minus 1 and 0. Means on which axis here? Minus it means that x-axis. It is lies on the x-axis. Clear? Now next one is 1 and 2. Both are positive. See, both are 1 and 2. X is 1 and y is 2. Means here now. Clear? This point 1 and 2 means which coordinate this one here? Which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. Correct? Now see 1 and 2, which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Clear? Now next one is, one more is there. How much is that? Is one more? Minus 3, minus 5. Both are negative here. See minus 3. See, I will draw that on the graph paper here. X is minus 3. Y is minus. X is minus 3. Y is minus 5. Now see that. This is x-axis. X is minus 3. Y is also minus 5. It means this is which quadrant here? Minus 3 and minus 5. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. So minus 3 minus 5 is which quadrant here? Third quadrant. Clear? Now this is identification of the quadrant in the Cartesian plane. I hope you understood this one. First you have to draw the graph. Just you have to identify the coordinate points on which quadrant it is lies on by using this Cartesian plane. Now see the next main. See the second question. Plot the point xy given in the following table. They given xy coordinates here. You have to draw the in the following table on the plane, choosing the suitable unit of the distance on the x-axis. By using the suitable units, they given the coordinate point. You have to draw the in the graph now. One more point you have to remember, children. You should write the question in the graph paper on the white page. The question should write the on the white page and the even table also in the white page. But only that graph you should draw in the graph paper. You have to make the one graph notebook. This graph you have to draw in the graph notebook only. But on the graph paper you should not use the pen, only with pencil. Clear? You have to draw the vertical and horizontal line. Thin line you have to draw and you have to construct the graph here. Now see what are the given coordinate point here. Now first you have to draw the y-axis and x-axis. Now see that maximum number how much is there? 8. Clear? Maximum number is 8 is there. You have to extend the numbers up to 8 here now. Correct? On x-axis 8 is there, positive is there. So x and y is 8 is there up to plus 8. Clear? Yes. Now see the point first. X is minus 2. Y is 8. These are the all x coordinate. These are the y coordinate. Now x is minus 2. Y is plus 8. Now see the in the graph. X is minus 2. See x is minus 2. Y is how much is there? Plus 8. Correct. Y is plus 8. Means you have to move the up to 8. Clear? Now x is minus 2. Y is. Now see that you have to find the point like this. You have to write the coordinate point here now. X is minus 2, y is 8. Clear? Now see the next. X is minus 1, y is 7. Now x is minus 1, y is 7. Now up to 7. Clear? This is a 7. Now x how much is there? X is minus 1, y is 7. Clear? Now see the next coordinate point here. X is 0, y is 1.25. 25 means 1/4 part. You can say that 25 paise. Clear? 1 point. Now 1.5 means 1.5. 1.25 means less than half. Middle of the half now. Now x is 0. Now see here. X is 0. Y is how much is there? 1.25. That is a minus 1.25. Now here 1.25 means here. 1.5 means here. Minus 1.5 means here. Now 1.25 means 1/4 part, that is 25 paise means here now. So you have to write the coordinate point here. X is 0, y is minus 1.25. Write the coordinate like that now. Similar, x is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. Now see that on x-axis plus 1 is there. X is 1, y is how much is there? 3. X is 1, y is 3. Up now, positive. So this is the x is 1, y is 3. Clear? Now last one is x is 3, y is minus 1. Now x is 3, y is minus 1. Minus 1 means where you have to move that? Down now. Here now, minus 1, because this is a minus y axis. Now x is 3, y is minus 1. I hope you understood this one, how to locate the point on the Cartesian plane now. Clear? Now you should draw the graph like that, and you have to look at the point like that and write the coordinate points here. Now this is the last exercise of the this coordinate geometry. I hope you understood this one. In next class we will see the new lesson. Now thank you for watching. Have a nice day.